To know more on HIV or AIDS, call toll-free number 1097. Know your status. Be educated about AIDS. Issued in public interest by the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society.
Kalong ka Khubor ka basautanat banyos ngau baga jing Pyndep ya ka ying dorbar ka Thymmai ni ka assembly jong ka jylla labu Thong ba an Pyndep no ya ka hau Rymphang jong ka snem arajar arpuar. Ya ka ni lai thu du MLA ka Mausunram constituency uba HM Shangplyang hadin mau lembat ge MLA hapo ka jing lam u Rymphang ka ying dorbar thawan ka jylla uba med ba ling do kila pelong ya ka jing late ban jurip ya ka jing pentrai ya ka kam ban tei ya ka ni ka ying dorbar ka Thymmai jong ka jylla. Abaya kran cikilat pathai Khubor ba Shangplyang usau bo nai khublei yu Rymphang ba med ba ling do bel simkhya na kaliang ga jong u ban yele na kamta ban pinset ya kikam ha ga joko por na kaliang briu jong PWD buildings ke bla don lang ha ga ni ke jing jurip kila wan chakmat bekin ai ke jing batai ke ba penya pat sani bha pang kumnu ke jing penya ke jongki ya ka kam ka jam baro ke ba sedang penya state bha chakmat menta uba Shangplyang usngau ban penpau balada la shisha ban Pyndep ya kan ke yeng dorbar ka Thymmai ha u Rymphang jong sem arajar arpuar kan long ka rekod sa kan mau pateng la paket ya ke jylla hi borok wei ha ka joko por kum unong mi khmat pai ba dap char ka mensim ka basngau hun aba u shem bat ui ba ki jing batai bat ki kam ka bla pentrai menta ki yat beks biak kum bla penpau te ki bor ka bedek mi ha ba pentrai ya kan ka kam.
Okay, today morning around 11 o'clock the Honorable Speaker of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly had fixed inspection of the undergoing construction of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly building in Mount Indian. We all were present there, and there was a presentation given by the PWD buildings engineers in the presence of the Speaker and in presence of few of the MLAs. The presentation given was very impressive. We were very impressed with the kind of progress that the building has taken. I must really thank and congratulate the Honorable Speaker, Sri Medbalingdo, for his keen interest in seeing the completion of the building. And within 1 year span, rather 1.5 year span, the building has come up so fast. It has come up so fast to the extent that according to the consultant and according to the contractor who had submitted, that they are going to hand over the building latest by February 2022. That would be a real record completion, and the state would be really benefited to see the landmark building. Why I call it a landmark building is the design of the building, the structure that it is coming up, the lawn, the landscaping, has all been meticulously planned out by the Honorable Speaker, and I really appreciate the time taken by the Honorable Speaker to see that this building is completed on time. We did visit the site and we saw the construction site also after the presentation was given, and we were very happy to see the manner that the construction is coming up and the progress of the work. Besides that, I think the assembly building is going to have even residential complex for each and every MLA. That was what we were told. So this is going to be one of the best, perhaps in the whole Northeast region, and therefore this is coming up like a dome, with a big dome, very similar to the capital of the Washington DC. So we did give a lot of suggestions. We did share a lot of thoughts in providing inputs for the development and for the completion of the building.